Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jur here. So today in this video, we're going to show you how we created this beautiful vanity, fluted vanity with this beautiful concrete countertop with the backsplash. I'm also going to show y'all some inspired pictures that I got from Pinterest. And hopefully y'all can recreate one. It's so easy to do. If you have any questions regarding how we built the vanity or even the countertop, please let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned.
So here I'm using hydrogen peroxide and lye, pure lye. I got that from Amazon. And I have some water in that plastic container there. You want to add the lye to the water and not the water to the lye, because it says it gives a bad reaction to the chemical. And then I just mix it up, let it sit for a little bit. It becomes like a gel. On that one I added 3 like spoon size. I did the rest of it, and I was using those kind of throwaway brushes with like bristles on it, and it melted the bristles off. So then I switched to this foam roller. And then here I'm saturating the red oak with hydrogen peroxide first. And then if you're using the lye, you got to be careful with that splash. I was showing there what would happen if you kind of get careless with it. So just go slow with it in the edge. This is the lye on top of the peroxide, and I think the reaction happens when it hits the peroxide. It starts bleaching the wood, which is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to bleach this wood, make it look more like white oak. And I do this process twice. You can do it as many times as you want to. I only did it twice because the rest of the drawers and everything else, I had already done it twice, so I wanted to look the same. Here I'm explaining that I pre-sanded almost everything to the final finish. Then I did this process, and then I'm gonna do a light pass with 220 just to knock down all the raised grain that happens. This is the second pass that I'm doing. You can kind of see it turning brown already, like kind of like a vintage look, like a vintage whitish look. I'm trying to get rid of all those red tones there. And then this is the lye again. The whole process all over again. Just be careful. I used a fan there just to get the fumes away from me. And I used vinegar to neutralize it at the end. I just sprayed it with the spray bottle once it was dry. I re-sprayed it with vinegar. This is the red part of the oak that I bought from Home Depot. This is the after the reaction with the lye. And I think it looks pretty good. Just got rid of a lot of that red that we didn't like. It's hard to get white oak unless you go to like a lumber yard, but they don't have it at Home Depot or Lowe's. But I like it. And then I'll show here the difference. This is the red oak 1x4 on top of some of the wood that I already did, the drawers, faces. I already did the chemical reaction with the lye. Going from that, like, I don't know what color that is. It has like a taupey color to actual gray. So this is the face. This is one layer, 2 layers, and then that last one was like a more watery layer, and it cracked. So that's the face. On the side, you can kind of see crack there, but that's the top done. I'm gonna use this little mini one. I switched over to the buffer because I can control the speed. I'm at 1400, The angle grinder runs at 9,000. There's no speed on it, so it's just straight rip through it. I tested it on this side, and this is the side that goes up against the wall, so you're never gonna see it, but it did that. So I stopped, switched over. This is not meant for dust, so I'm sure I'm gonna mess it up. So it's done. It's nice. Did a little like curve, but it's done. I even did this side over here. Now I just have to sand it all, finish it up, install it. Like it just comes right off. So that side is sanded. You can see how nice and clean it is. And then this side is not sanded. And then I'm gonna do 80, 20, 150, 220, 320, and I'll probably leave it there. And then seal it and install it. My truck's a mess too, by the way. Don't become hating on me. Look at this top, yo. It's a little too white in the front. Might have to resand it. Dang. It came out sick. It feels like leather granite. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that. That's what it feels like. It's amazing. Soak it in. Soak it in. Hard work. I did the same white stain to give it like those little dots there to make it look more like a granite, I guess, or something. I don't know, like a natural stone rock. And it left all the white little freckle things. Then I wiped it all completely with the soaked paint thinner rag, and then left these little cool little blotches everywhere. Makes it look more nice. And then I waxed it all completely, and then I buffed it at like, I think it was like 1,800, 2,000 revolutions per minute. I act like I know, but my machine just says the number there. Darn, I need to have a YouTube video. I need to make a YouTube account so you guys can make this.